Picture this, a young boy making his first investment of just $5. Little did he know, this small step would lead him to become one of the richest people in the world. This boy was none other than Warren Buffett, now fondly known as the Oracle of Omaha. A native of Omaha, Nebraska, Buffett's journey into the world of investing began quite early. His first investment was a mere $5, a humble beginning for someone who would go on to manage billions. But the path to success was not without its challenges. Buffett faced numerous obstacles, from the unpredictable fluctuations of the market to the skepticism of those around him. Yet he remained undeterred. His determination and unique approach to investing not only helped him overcome these hurdles, but also laid the foundation for his extraordinary success. And this young boy, who started with just $5, is now known to the world as the Oracle of Omaha. Warren Buffett, fondly known as the Oracle of Omaha, has a unique approach to investing that sets him apart. The Oracle's investment strategy is grounded in two key principles: value investing and long-term thinking. Buffett has always believed in the power of investing in companies that are undervalued, yet have a strong potential for growth. He doesn't just look at the numbers, he studies the business model, the management, and the market dynamics. Buffett's second principle, long-term thinking, is just as integral. He doesn't invest for quick wins. Instead, he places his bets on companies that will stand the test of time, often holding on to these investments for decades. This approach has not only weathered numerous economic storms but has also reaped substantial profits. His unique approach to investing, marked by value and long-term thinking, is what makes Buffett the Oracle of Omaha. Every successful individual has key moments that define their journey. For Buffett, it was his successful acquisitions and philanthropic efforts. Warren Buffett's journey from $5 to riches is punctuated by a series of astute acquisitions. In the late 1960s, he began by acquiring a textile company named Berkshire Hathaway, which would become the vehicle for his future investments. Buffett's knack for identifying undervalued companies led to the successful acquisitions of stakes in companies like Coca-Cola, American Express, and IBM. These acquisitions played a significant role in transforming Berkshire Hathaway into a multi-billion-dollar conglomerate and cementing Buffett's reputation as a savvy investor. But Buffett's journey is not just about amassing wealth, it's also about giving back. In 2006, he pledged to give away the majority of his wealth to philanthropic causes, a commitment that has seen him donate billions to charities like the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. His philanthropic efforts underscore his belief that those who are blessed with wealth have a responsibility to help those who are less fortunate. Buffett's journey is a testament to the power of smart investing and the impact of philanthropy. His successful acquisitions demonstrate the importance of recognizing value where others do not, while his philanthropic efforts highlight the potential for wealth to create positive change in the world. These key moments in Buffett's career not only define his journey, but also serve as an inspiration to many. Warren Buffett's journey is not just a story of financial success, but also a lesson in perseverance, strategy, and philanthropy. From his first investment of just $5, he has climbed to the very top of the financial world, becoming the Oracle of Omaha. This journey, however, was not without its challenges. Buffett faced many obstacles at the start of his career, but he overcame them with resilience and determination. His unique approach to investment, focusing on value investing and long-term thinking, has set him apart from others in the field and has been a key factor in his success. Buffett's career has been marked by significant moments, including his successful acquisitions and his remarkable philanthropic efforts. These moments demonstrate his shrewd business acumen and his generous spirit, making him a role model for investors everywhere. So, what can we learn from Buffett's journey? Firstly, we learn that perseverance pays off. Despite facing challenges, Buffett never gave up. Secondly, we learn the importance of having a clear strategy. Buffett's approach to investing, focusing on value and long-term gains, has proven extremely successful. Lastly, we learn the importance of generosity. Buffett has shown that success is not just about making money, but also about making a difference in the world. So remember, just like Buffett, start small, think big, and who knows, you might be the next oracle in the world of investing. Warren Buffett's journey is filled with many more insights and strategies that can help you in your investing journey. From value investing to long-term thinking, there's so much to learn from the Oracle of Omaha. The stories, the successes, and even the challenges all hold valuable lessons. So why not delve deeper? Uncover more about Buffett's investment strategies in our other videos. And as you explore, we'd love to hear about your own experiences and thoughts. Don't forget to explore more about Warren Buffett's investment strategies in our other videos and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.